Obiyake gima omwanchi omurigirira ne tariki eyemo omutinyo kianda omwaka bw'ekiri bubere 2022 na cyaragire kinsa isano na ibere cyabona mugaso hasene yariganira ikora sigeta sene kia Ndizi TV elindengo letere amangana maya hayonyere ko bakagokorekana kura cingongo cyonsi inye cyense cinga kitogandete kukubwatiria nari agendete kokorekana ase ekigambiro gya Supreme ase ekina kigendete kyogotegererwa magega ya machibu yikero kyobora ibwense gotuguterwa ale gumwanchi umurigera na mangeto kwariganeti ase umubaso olere gotubase gusuka tubasakonyegera ngwira nanda asegeka egeke ngomanye asenchira yobwenye. Henda gotobwatia ase ensemo ya Facebook na bagotonya gwitira Ndizi TV News Digital na bago ase ensemo ya YouTube na bagotonya gwitira Ndizi TV News ase ensemo ya website na bagotonya gwitira www.ndizitv.or.ke editaria ne Frida Kerubo na sichinsemo chibyaro kerelio ni gotokubwatira nere Joshua Auta hingo chaka kegima omwanchi muri ni gongo chakira account ya Kisi ase abanyagitali korwa ase account yo baumerana imeyo mu cyobosongo ase nyagitali nene ya KTRH asebagendete kugayana na raibanyare ko bagwetera cinga kibare gukora campaign ye chanjo ya corona bagokwana gose bakoragwa no munyagitali oyomo oyokoro kwanga bitutu ni gagendete koerera mechando kibeterete nabo igo meroberi kibabegete ya bene asebagochikwane kibuna abanyare ko bagwikirani amatuko abosyo nabo igo ebirengo biri babegete byo gwikira abantu ao asokwane kibuna banyoleire echanjo ya corona banyarire ko bagukirane igo namange bagendete kwarigani cingaki bagukwanera naki ekyombegia amref kego chikobasira ase amatuko abosyo orobatira asinchira yobwenye
rero bani batubatu mu kuntano bayiga twakuntanira abantu bakubisa ku county kiresa ku county bata abantu bane amona be county boy kontura amona barabu iganga yetena yo kumitinga iyo rero nkiri ngero tagete ko kwana toigwane nga wango igantu akora campaign ya nini ya chanjo ya COVID-19 tukakora sisi sub-county chetu chonsi tuko tuwarinde supported ne partner yetu okuruku UNOPS boy governor ya kolete na amurifu boy goja rero igabona umuntu to support to miti iga na amurifu barenga bya to miti tororena ki ine yitu akora campaign chije into a miti target to atagete onye to meet miti kiarenge problem ngonye to meet die target iri nkigia to boye to kanyara ko meet na andekero kede challenge to anyorete ina kitu atemete go solve na kie kitu meet iri ga tomanye na boigo ekato gendrete igo to gendre go chimutu to nyare go planning abono bichimutu kitu go chikoko
ne wiki moya itire magega ye chigavana korwa ase chi county gotianigwa ime county ya Kericho Dr. Eric Mutai nere ore omugavana ase chinsemecho abo ase achakire emirimo yae yabene korengana nere nigo obulimo bwe serikali bwechieka ibere ase abamenyi be county ya Kericho bale koruta egoto nigo omuntu yomeso getina bwo koira obulimo bwo ase achiete akagitabano nigo arure egekuru getindi ochia ase ondebwensi oyasana nirigati ase okunereri endemero ye serikali.
Where we are today is a dump site. Somebody 3 months ago, without any shame, without any thinking, came and fenced what is supposed to be our dump site. As you can see where we are standing, even if you look at the soil, it shows that the activity which has been here is a dump site, is a recycle site. When you look up there, the mountain there, that is actually the cabbage site for Kericho. So here was a cabbage site. Around a year ago or two, they led by the team engineer and the rest, they moved the cabbages to the other side so that they could come back here. But somebody in his own wisdom or lack of otherwise, and I believe that must be a madman, woke up in the morning, came and fenced the entire of this farm. And that is why we are here today. This one is serving as a strong notice to any crabber, to any illegal occupation of Kericho, that your time is up and we are coming for you. You will not continue doing activities in a public land which is supposed to do common good for the people. This is a sewage system. We have a hospital there up here. And when people, you see them encroaching all the way, they are almost even crapping the land that belongs to the hospital. And so this is a notice to the grabbers and the would-be grabbers that the time is over. This is a different Kericho, this is a new Kericho.
Magega y'ekigambiro gya Supreme Korwa ogochika ase okwirorerwa kubara gw'ekikura ase ebitaseni byo bya kichikura emerongo enene yemo nigo omurobelyo yo oikire omwelyo ti agent nigo chikiranite ase chinsemecho nabago kwene kibuna omurobelyo yo oikiranire ebene litkolya rero nigo babwenerete kwena na oroboti kubwatekana buna okubaruko gwakorekanete igoro yobo obobalyo bw'ekikura nigo baitu chinsa emerongo ene na isano na isato ndakwene kibuna banyereko bakwirani amachibu gocha ase ekigambiro gya Supreme. Obisi enene ya mufti ime ya Kenya nigo baganiriye abakenya koba abatorero nabo igo guchigwanchirana amatoke gose amachibu kubwatekana nuko nachwa ekina kurwa ase ekigambiro ekenene ya Supreme nigo ekoragwa no yotenendete ase mufti ime ya Baislamu oyote biremuna Sheikh Omar niga atebiremuna nigo barabwati gose nigo barachigwanchirana buna ekina keranyara kobage konachwa nabo igo omorai bwensi orachugotanga sokoba umurayo gatano bwense nere barachikonyara kwa bako bwaterana elinde kwene kibuna banyere kwa bako kore emerimo imiense ito ya Kenya.
Sisi ofisi ya kitaifa ya mufti na wanamufti Kenya nzima kutoka Mandera hadi Lamu tuna imani na mahakama yetu. Majaji hawa 7 tuna imani nao, tunawaombea busara zao zizidi, afya njema zao zizidi, ili wafanye maamuzi ambayo kwamba tuna imani yatakuwa ya haki, ili mwenye haki abakie na haki na mwenye haki apate haki yake, kwa minajili ya taifa letu la Kenya lipate kuendelea mbele. Ni kweli tupo katika hali tata hivi sasa, sintofahamu zipo, lakini ni washukuru wa Kenya kwa amani walioiendeleza siku zote. Tunawaomba washikilie hapo hapo hata baada ya mahakama ikifanya maamuzi. Tuyapokee maamuzi yale, tuyaridhie, ili taifa letu lipate kusonga mbele. Ofisi ya kitaifa mufti inasubiri atakachaguliwa kwa rais, kwa sababu sisi ni independent body. Hatuegemei mirengo ya kisiasa, bali tunapenda na kushindikiza uongozi bora na viongozi wazuri. Tafanya kazi na kiongozi yoyote yule kwa nia yetu njema na umoja wetu mkubwa.
Togo soa busi wekigambiro gya Supreme chinga kibagendete kogayana igoro yengana yo gotuguterwale ya machibu yekirogo kyobora yubense nigo bono omwakili Githu Mugai anyareko bagakoba mochi bali bagote abuna bocholimbwa akorekanite ase enchira endonge korengana nere nigate biribuna nigo bono eserikali ebwenete koligereria obuya ase korwa ekirogo kyobo MC egoika ekirogo kyobora yubense buna obocholi bwa korekanite nabo igo koligererwa obuya na kolingolirwa na kibwagenderete ase chinsemo akorengana nene gatebirumna abanyabagotanga bocholi mbwa korekanite ase enchira eyabene nigo babwenerete koligereria bocholi bwensi nabo igo koirorerwa obuya.
This election is so badly flawed, as you are invited to find, then this court would have to find that every MCA, every MP, and every senator and every governor was not properly elected, and the whole of the government of the Republic of Kenya should be reconstituted afresh. I don't know whether my learned colleagues have contemplated the consequence of what they have requested. My client, Mr. Wafula Chebukati, is a man who enjoys constitutional protection of his tenure. Why did the Constitution protect him? Not him alone, the chairman of independent commissions, for precisely this form of witch hunting. The Constitution cannot countenance that a constitutional office holder is to be witch hunted in the manner suggested here. That he walked out of his office and took the phone many times, then came down and sat down and did not consult the people who were having tea.
Kwarengana no muwakiri Eric Gumbo nigo aerera naki obutumiki bw'emitandao y'ekirero bware gutumikwa ase okoene kibuna amachibu y'obwaki chikura aikiranire ase egetaseni ekenene ky'obwaki chikura gya Bomas korwa ase chinsemo ao West County ao imense eicho ya Kenya kurende nigo abamochiri bali bagotabuna chi agent cyabegetwa so kurigereria obochori buna bagokorekana mbanyate kwa bagokora egasi yabo burunge asa tebabuna tali egasi yekigambiro korigereria nabo igokoene kibuna na kichi agent cyare gukora emirimo yabo ekiagera kurwa ase ebyama ao na babwenete kurigereria mbare bibale abarunge asokoene kibuna banyere kwa bakurigereria obochori ina kibware gukorekana na ndeni go barabwenete koene kibuna banyere kwa bakubaegeria ase nchira endonge na koene kibuna bachire gukora emirimo yabo buya.
And because agents are like our spouses, you choose your own. You choose the one you trust. If you nobody imposes an agent on you. If you choose one you don't trust, then really you can't blame anyone. If you choose
Omwanchi murigereria korwa ase orobotiro nigo naikire omweli obwa mangana maya ase ebirebiga kurinde ngo gosabato basagosukato basakonyegera ayuna mange no yanyole chikoraga chinsa 10 chia mugaso maga echikamera soko ene kibuna ebicha na boigo eliogira goikira senchira yabene nere petronira mukira tenya kwa tukubwatanere Joshua Auta asinsemo chibiorokerelio na inseliane Frida Kerubo ngokoganelia oburigereria obia.